Hello, my friends, and welcome to our math video. All right, I know we've been doing a lot of counting practice, but we are going to keep doing just that because the more we practice, the better and better you get at counting all things. So we're going to count from 0 to 20 by ones. So we're going to count up as though we're adding. We're going to count from 20 to 0. We're going to count down to help with our subtracting. We're going to count from 0 to 50 by twos, and then 0 to 100 by fives and tens. So get comfy. Make sure you are somewhere where you can say all of the numbers out loud with me, because you need to say it out loud with me to practice all the things. Are you ready? Starting at 0, we're going to count to 20 by ones. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we're going to count from 20 to 0. So we're going to count down that number line. Are you ready? Starting at 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Awesome. The reason we do that is so we are practicing that pattern. So we know we go from 0 to 10, then 11 to 20, and we're recognizing that pattern. Because what if I say, okay, everybody start at 13. What comes next? We should automatically be able to say 14, 15, 16, and keep going. We're going to start practicing more of that counting from the middle of our number line in our small groups next week. So make sure you are making it to our small groups, because it's not only going to be reading and writing, but now we're going to start practicing some math together. All right, now we're going to count by twos all the way to 50. So starting at 0, count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, and remember we go 1, 2, to 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54. Oh, wait a minute, I kept going. I'm so excited. I love to count. But do you hear the pattern? It goes 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Look, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then back to the 0. So if we can memorize those patterns of our ones place, no matter if we have two numbers, our 2 digits, or even when we get all the way up into our 3 digits, so long as we're practicing that pattern, you can count any number, I promise. All right, now let's count by fives. Are you ready? Starting at 0. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Awesome, my friends. Okay, now we're going to count by tens and we'll be all done. Ready? Starting at 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Awesome, my friends. Thank you for counting with me. I know that's not the most exciting thing to do. I know I don't sing and dance like all of the videos. Sorry, Mrs. Sae-Wong is just not as exciting. But it's really important we practice these things together. So I'm really proud of you for hanging in there with me. Okay, today we're going to do some more math equation practice. So get out your Bridges Home Connections book and a pencil. Always do math in pencil. Always, 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 so we can erase. The only reason I do it in pen is so you can see it. You do it in a pencil so you can erase and make changes. All right. If you need more time to go get your book, hit pause again. Go grab it. Otherwise, we are going to open on up to page 87. So we have an 8, 87. We are talking about penguins on page 87. We are going to work through 2 word problems together. And then we're going to flip to page 88 and we're going to work on some addition and some subtraction. Okay? So let's read the question together. Number 1. Oh, wait a minute. First, we have to stop and put our name at the top. So let's do that. If you're still not on page 87, that's okay. Hit pause. Come back when you're ready. Okay, so I wrote my name. Your name goes where my name is, and today's date is 2-25-21. All right, let's read question number 1. Whoops, Mrs. Sae-Wong sat for too long and our light turned off. There we go. Number 1 says, here is a huddle of 10 penguins. Remember, a huddle is just a group. 8 penguin pals are swimming toward the huddle so they can get warm too. How many penguins excuse me, will there be in all when the 8 penguins join their friends? Write an equation beside the picture to show. So it's telling us there are 10 penguins on top, and there are 8 more in the water. These 8 want to jump up and join the penguins. So are we going to add? Are we making our number bigger? Or are we subtracting? Are we taking away? We're adding. So when we write our equation, we're going to have one of the numbers plus another number equals how many? So you are going to fill out your equation. So how many penguins are on the top of the ice? How many penguins are swimming in the water? Adding those 2 numbers together, how many penguins will we have in all? You're going to have to show me that you can do this math. Hit pause, work on that, come back when you are ready. All right, if you're back with me, that tells me you have solved number 1. Number 2, here are 10 penguins in a huddle. Some more are coming to join them. And then there will be 13 penguins in the huddle. How many penguins are going to join the huddle? Fill in the empty box on the equation to show. Okay, so it says there are 10 penguins in a huddle. So we already have our 10 right here. All 10. It says some more are coming. We don't know how many yet. But we know there will be a total of 13 when those more come. So what number are we missing? 10 plus what equals 13? We practiced 10 plus every number yesterday, so hopefully, or not yesterday, sorry, Tuesday. Hopefully you will be able to fill in that blank. But if not, I want you to take out your counting blocks, and I want you to figure out what you have to add to 10 to equal 13. I'm not giving you a lot of help today. I want to see what you know, you super smart people. So go ahead and hit pause, work on number 2, and come back when you're ready. All right, if you're back with me, that tells me you're done with number 2. Let's turn the page. Okay. Oh, actually, hold on. Go back. Number 3, everybody put an X through it. I do not want anybody writing your own penguin story problem. I don't want you stressing about it. Don't worry about it. That's kind of tricky to do. And since we're not working together in the classroom right now, I don't want anybody stressing about it. So put a big X right through 3. You're only solving questions 1 and 2 on that front page, okay? Let's turn the page. Okay, this is page 88. 88. Let me pick it up so I know you can see it. Okay, on page 88, we are adding and we are subtracting. I know you can all do this in your sleep, backwards, blindfolded, all the things because you are so super smart. So I do want you to answer all of the questions for 4 and all of the questions for 5. You can use your number line if you need to make a number line. You can use your counting blocks. You can use your fingers and toes because the biggest number we have is the number 10. So we all have 10 fingers. So we can definitely use our fingers to help us solve our addition and our subtraction. Whatever strategies works best for you. Show me that you can answer all of these questions. Number 6 is going to be one that we talk about whole group on Friday. If you want to give it a try, you can, but I don't want you stressing about it because we're going to talk about it as a whole class on Friday during our 11 o'clock meeting. If you're curious, here's what number 6 says. It says 5 plus 5 is one way to make 10. 12 minus 2 is another way to make 10. Think of some other ways to make 10. Write at least 10 different ways to make 10. Woo, that's a lot. You don't have to write them all. If you want to practice making 10, you are welcome to write some equations, but we're going to talk about this all together on Friday. So don't stress. I know some of you at home, bless your hearts, want to answer all the questions, even the ones that I say don't do it. Don't make your brains crazy. That's not the goal, okay? Just make sure you answer all of the questions in section 4 and all in section 5. We'll talk about 6 together on Friday. When you're all done, my friends, just make sure you send me a picture of both page 87 and page 88 in Seesaw so I can see your super awesome math skills. And that's it for our math video today, my friends. Let me know if you have any questions or if you're stuck on anything, but otherwise, I will see you all later. Bye.